What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Solana, currently sitting at 134. We're up 4.77 on the day. Market cap 63 billion, 24 volume 2.27 billion. So currently we're bouncing out of our target zone. Now, if we put in one more high and then roll over, then you have a nice cup and handle pattern where this is your cup. Wow, I have some leg today. And then you would put in your handle, come up and break that neckline. And you could see a nice continuation back to the upside. That's the bullish scenario. If we fail to do that, we roll over, we start to break these lows. And of course, we do have this large descending triangle. We've retested the support quite a few times. So if we were to roll over again, I do think there's a decent chance this support would break and you'd see a deeper pullback. But until the bullish scenario is invalidated, you don't have to be too concerned about it. But if we do roll over, we break that support, yeah, your target's all the way down at 44. We potentially might not go that low. We have support here at 100, support down here at about 86. That's if we fail to put in the cup and handle. But as of right now, we have a nice cup pattern. So we may push a little bit higher, basically to complete a little bit of a five-way move, and then roll over and see if we can put in that handle, come up and break the neckline at about 137, and that will give you confirmation that a low is in, and you're going to see that continuation back to the upside. So that's what we're looking at for Sol. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. You can trade on BITUNIX worldwide, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. If you sign up through my link, top of the comments, you can also join my free Discord where I give daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.